welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can use AI agent in order to transfer the live chat to your team members or to yourself. Like how your customer can use the AI agent in order to have a real-time interaction with the team members or with you. Alright, so let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account and select the AI agent in which you would like to have that option enabled. Let's say I have this football assistant. I will open this agent and I have to make sure few things. First of all, I will go to this AI agent settings, and over here in the chat screen I will make sure that this option is on. If this option is not on, then you will not receive, or your team member will not receive any live chat request. So please make sure this option is on from here, and once you are done with this, make sure to update the settings from here. And once it's done, now please go back to your prompt, and in the prompt you have to add a line: if any customer asks for live chat, please transfer the live chat to live agent using this tool. And how you will enable this tool, you will simply type / here. At the last you will get this option of transfer call to live agent. Over here you get an option of what is the prompt. You can add the prompt here, and once the prompt is added, you can click on add and save. So it will look like this. Once it is done, now the last option is to save this. Alright, so I have saved this. Now we will test it how it will work. So I have this landing page opened here. I will simply type hi and I will get the response from the agent. Alright, I will type hi here. In order to test it, we can test it from here only. Let's see. Alright, so as you can see, as I type hi, I am getting the response from the AI agent. Now let's say if I want to talk with a real person. As a customer, I will simply type here live chat and press enter. Alright, and I will get this response from the AI. I have sent the request for live chat. A human spot will be connected with you shortly. I will go back to my platform and see I have received the request. I will simply click on accept and I will be back to my inbox. From here I can have the real-time conversation with my customer. How are you? And the customer will be able to receive these messages over here. I will type hi. You can see. So this is how it should work. So basically from here I can have the real-time conversation with my customers and I will be assisted. So this is how you can use this feature of AI agent in order to transfer the live chat to the customer and have a real-time conversation from there. Alright, that's all about this video, and in case if you have any question or any doubts on the same, you can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much. Have a good day.